believe me, my friends, when I tell you this. I ask myself all the time, why? Why? Only one reason. Because I love it. I wouldn't do it if I didn't love it. If you think I'm doing this to be Mr. Millionaire, billionaire, famous person, you're wrong. Because you and I both know this is not the way to go about that. You coming in, Ben, or you staying outside? All right, he's hanging. But yes, I ask myself all the time why. Not just about cars and money and things like that. Like why I spend money on stupid shit. But just why in general. Why everything. Always ask why. If they tell you not to ask why, time to ask yourself, who are they? Regardless of who you are and where you are, where you're from. Anyway, we got parts today. We got some parts. We got a swaybar. That's the hardware it came with. And mama's there. The bar. So that's how she's gonna be sitting in there. Like I said, I got new things like this, because check this out. That's no bueno. So we can't have our tire like that. Benny, you coming in yet? Oh, that little guy's just out wandering. So we can't have our tire like that, because I plan on being at full lock the majority of the time. It looks so good. Now I just gotta figure out exactly where to set it, but for now we're just gonna tighten it up, leave it be. Middle of the road. We put it on the middle setting. I don't know what that is, but yeah, we put it on the middle hole. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. I can't even drive it yet. This bolt's fucking with me. brace, back supported. Now we gotta figure out, I'm gonna set these little guys. All right, so we're gonna do that next. So that, my friends, as they say, is that. Oh, my finger was real dirty, but it's really not that dirty. Got a call into a tuner in Dayton. So, very soon, that will be going to Dayton for a tune. What else? Maybe I think I have news. Do I have any other news for you? News, like anyone even cares. Alright. There he is. Come on in, bud. Good boy. He just loves the snow, doesn't he? He just loves the snow. Other than that, it's a good day to be alive. Why do I keep doing that? Other than that, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I don't know. I don't know what else we can do. I'm still waiting for other parts, so once I get them, I'll show you. This will all just probably be one video, so see you tomorrow. See you the next day. Say bye, man.